This first gift is going to be for the gentleman and the scholar, or for millennial. Kindle Eden. No. Hit that like button and subscribe. Yo, it's your boy Matt Dopp. Let's talk about some dope Christmas gifts that'll change lives yet won't really break the bank. So the holidays are coming up, and that means holiday shopping for your loved ones, but thanks to this pandemic, we're all trying to save money for ourselves in case of emergencies and when travel and concerts open back up again, right? Well, then you're going to enjoy today's video because I'm going to recommend 5 items that'll make you the best Secret Santa, be stolen more than a few times in White Elephant, and honestly might make you just get it for yourself, all while keeping it under one Benjamin. As always, links and timestamps are in the description box. Lego. This first gift is going to be for the gentleman and a scholar, or for milady as well, and it is a Kindle e-reader from Amazon. Now, true and tried OG scholars are probably going to prefer the physical, authentic feel of a book, and I agree that nothing beats the feel and smell of a beautifully crafted book in your hands. But even those scholars have to admit that those books come with their own shortcomings, main ones being portability, storage, and reading in the dark. The Kindle e-reader from Amazon literally solves all of these problems. It's fast, extremely portable, a pleasure to hold, and comes with a backlight to read at night without turning on a lamp to disturb whoever's sleeping next to you. In the past, it was hard to recommend the basic Kindle, but now that Amazon updated it last year with the backlight feature, you can honestly do just fine with getting the basic model. However, I personally think shelling out $40 more for the Paperwhite is worth it, as it comes with double the storage, way more pixels, waterproof, a more sleek design, and a night mode. Either way though, you cannot go wrong with any Kindle. Up next is probably the only item on this list that isn't portable, but I'm going to recommend it anyways because it has quite literally changed my life for the better, and I cannot go back to living without it. And it is under $100. I am recommending an air fryer. Yep, millennial goals, baby. Air frying is basically deep frying, but without all the messy and greasy oil. As someone who hates cooking and having to get out a pan, put the oil on, wait for it to heat up, monitor it, man, I'm getting annoyed just thinking about it, honestly. Think of an air fryer as like the pocket knife of cooking appliances. Not only does it air fry, but it can toast, bake, defrost, and cook your bagels, cookies, and pizza all the right way because it has specific settings for those specific items. Even my girlfriend, who loves cooking and doing everything manually, has grown to appreciate an air fryer. I don't know about the other models, but the one I have is the Bella Pro series in stainless steel. I got it as a gift earlier this year from my mom because she knows I cannot cook and I live on my own now. So yeah, moms, they just know you better than you do sometimes. Thanks, Mom. Now, real quick, before I get to my third item, if you're enjoying the video so far, please clap that like button and tap that subscribe button for more lifestyle, self-development, and relationship content. If you want to reach out to me directly, please feel free to follow me on Instagram down below. All right, so next up is a Dopp kit or a tech pouch. These are essentially the same thing, but the Dopp kit is for your toiletries, skincare, and makeup, while the tech pouch is for your more smaller tech stuff like cables, portable batteries, earbuds, so on and so forth. When travel opens up again, or even when you're just staying at a friend's house, you're going to need to bring all these things with you, right? If you or someone you know is still using a Ziploc bag to hold all of these items, throw that out right now and get yourself a Dopp kit or a tech pouch to organize all of this. I mean, you're not a kid anymore. Actually, in fact, kids should have these things too, in my opinion. Dopp kits and tech pouches hold everything together very neatly and very securely, and some of them look really nice. If you're into aesthetics, you can never go wrong with leather for the Dopp kit or the tech pouch. But for Dopp kits specifically, my favorite ones are the ones that you can hang on the little door handle or the hook somewhere. Because a hook is just really, really practical, and if the bathroom counter is small, a Dopp kit can still take up a good amount of space despite being very organized. This Dopp kit I have is from Dior, and it was free when I bought my favorite cologne ever, Dior Sauvage. It's nice, practical, and can hold a lot, and has been through a lot of travels with me, but I do wish it did have that hook feature. My tech pouch is from Peak Design, who's known for their industry-leading, high-quality camera bags and gear, but their bags and pouches can be used for everyday things as well. Peak Design actually has their own Dopp kit too, but since I have the Dior one already, I got the tech pouch instead. It feels amazing, it holds a lot, and it goes really well with my current Peak Design backpack. The only thing I don't like about it though is that it only has the one zipper. I wish it had two zippers from each side so that it's easier to open and close, but otherwise I love it. Now for another life-changing household, but honestly, can be taken with you as well if you have room for it. This right here is my steamer. Okay, have you ever used those clunky ironing boards and maybe once or twice even burned yourself with a regular iron while working that clunky ironing board? No? Just me? Okay, well, don't be like me then, and please just get yourself a steamer, okay? If you don't know already, a steamer is basically a magical device to smooth out all the wrinkles in your clothes. All you need to do is hang your clothing items somewhere, fill up your steamer with water, plug it in, and that's literally it. You wave it around like a magic wand. No board to set up that takes up a bunch of space, no accidental burns. You see the steam coming out of the end of the steamer, so you know to stay really well away. And it's great because it can literally steam any clothing item from t-shirts, blazers, dresses, pants, you name it. In fact, if you don't know how to iron properly, you could even cause creases in your clothes. I'll link the one that I have below, but honestly, I'm pretty sure there's some better ones out there. I only still use this one because I got it for free. Okay, final gift that's life-changing and won't break the bank is a Bluetooth speaker. These used to be rare items from select premium brands, but now they're a dime a dozen, and even the cheap ones from Amazon work pretty well. If you don't know how useful a Bluetooth speaker is, it's probably because you don't have one yet, or you don't go out enough to fully warrant its use. When it's safe to meet up with people again, Bluetooth speakers are going to be great for those parties, events, beach trips, you name it. Any get-together, really. But as of now, it's great for those home workouts you're doing to stay fit in quarantine, right? It's hard to recommend a specific Bluetooth speaker because they all essentially do the same thing, play sound via Bluetooth. But if you're gonna get one, the three things you wanna look out for are battery life, how far the Bluetooth signal range can go, and waterproofness. Anything else is personal preference. I have a UE Boom 2 that is NVIDIA branded because I won this in one of their raffle giveaways, but I also have this one as a gift from my current 9-to-5. I'm not sure whether this one is weatherproof or not, but I know UE Boom speakers are, so this is the one I would bring to those beach bonfires and pool parties. All right, that's going to be it for my 2020 gifts under $100. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments what your favorite gifts are. Again, please clap that like button and tap that subscribe button if you haven't already for more lifestyle, self-development, and relationship content. Happy holidays and cheers to 2021 being around the corner. Bye-bye.